Hey guys, the next method that we are going to see in the set methods are is the remove method, which we discussed in our earlier video as well. But we'll get into more details about this remove method. Now, what remove method does is it is used to remove a specified element from the set, same as what we did with discard. But if the element is not found, then it raises a key error. The discard method, which also removes an element, does not give an error, does not give an error if the element is missing. Whereas the remove method ensures the specified element must exist in the set. Now, this method is useful when we need to enforce the presence of an element before removing it. Yeah, by ensuring the set's integrity by handling unexpected missing elements explicitly. Yeah. Oh, so before we get into example, I would rather love every time rather than to explain you with some theory. I would give you example, but theory is also important so that you understand the concepts. Yeah. So the syntax of remove is set dot remove. Set is the set name and the element you want to remove. Yeah. So this is the set name dot remove. And as you know, element is nothing but the element that you want to remove. So the this method accepts only one parameter, which is the element which has to be removed from the present set. So let's have a basic example about example on remove method. Yeah. So suppose I have this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which you have seen earlier as well in my previous example. I want to remove 3, which is not a number, which is number name rather than a numeric number. So I want to remove it from the set. It checks whether the set has this particular element and it removes it. Pretty simple, same as discard since it already had the number. Now, suppose I do not have the number. So suppose if the element is not available in the defined set. So suppose I want to remove 10. Yes. Let's see what it gives. It should give me an error. Yeah, because 10 is not available in this given set. Yeah. We can also do it with try an exception, which is an error handling method. Yeah. So what error handling does, which we'll see in our different sessions at a later stage, it's I'll say try this statement my state dot remove 10. Yeah, I'll remove the statement from here. Yes, it is asking me to run this statement. And if there is an error, which is a key error, we got a key error here, right? This is the key error. It is saying if I get a key error, it will print this statement saying print element not found in the set. Yes, which element? Which was the element? It was as E, and the E element is not present in the set. Yeah, let me see if it runs. We can see the element not found in the set 10. Yes, this one way of seeing to it that you do not get this kind of ugly messages you will get a proper message which is more relevant and more a properly explaining message which tell you, okay, this element is not present in this particular set. Okay, so this error handling methods, which we'll see in our subsequent videos as we go ahead in our sessions. Yeah, do not need to mark up all this thing. We'll go through it. You need to, the concept that I want to drive is, if you do not get a particular element which you want to remove in a set, it will come up with an error. And this is how you handle errors, through try and accept. Yeah. So suppose I want to remove uh, multiple items from set. Yeah. So suppose I will not use this. I'll say this is my set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will have remove elements. I want to remove these elements. Yeah, which is again 2, 4. I want to remove 2 and 4 from this particular set. So I have this set. Yeah. From this above set which is available, I want to remove these elements. So what I'll do is, for elements in remove elements, so it is checking for all the elements in the remove elements. It will go to my set and add the element in this LM section and remove that particular element. Yeah. So what it does, let me explain you the loop. So first we have defined the set from where you want to remove the elements. Then I'm defining a set which is the which is the set which has elements that I want to remove from my existing defined set. Yes. Now through a for loop, I am iterating through this elements in the remove loop. So it goes to the first element, zeroth index element, which is 2. It gets into my set dot remove. So my set is this one. My set dot remove. In element, it gets the number 2. It checks whether it is available in this and it removes it. Then again, it loops back, checks for the next element, which is 4, gets into my set dot remove, checks for 4 and it removes it. So the output of my set after removing these two numbers would be 1, 2, 1, 3 and 5. Here is the output. So it has removed both the elements from this particular set. I can also use list comprehension to remove an element. So list comprehension to remove elements based on condition. Yeah. So suppose I have this element, which is X. So all the elements within the set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I say X for X in my set. So all the elements within the my set, I want to delete if the element or X is greater than 3. So suppose my element is greater than 3. So 4 and 5 would be deleted because it is greater than 3. So let's see if it is able to give me the desired output. Yeah, you can see this. So it has removed all the 3 items from here and it has taken this fourth and fifth item and it has added to my set. Yeah. If I would have added less than 3, then it would have taken 1 and 2. Yeah, so it is adding all the items as per the condition which I have specified. Yeah, so we can use list comprehension to eliminate the items or just choose the items from a list which you want to get into a set based on a specific condition using list comprehension. So these are various ways in which you can remove element uh, from a set, and there are various ways in which you can handle the errors that you can get because of a particular element not present in your set. And there are various ways again to remove an element by way of list comprehension or by a for loop, whatever we can think about. Yeah, it is flexible enough. That's why Python is very flexible enough to use various methods as per your convenience, but you need to always see to it the optimized way in which you can run a particular code. Yeah. Hope you liked this video. Hope you understood the content of remove method. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment on how these examples were. If you have any suggestions or inputs which you want to give on the example, which my learners would be able to understand or get some more insights on this particular method. Uh, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get such informative video directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.